Hi viewers, this is your girl Hawaii Lady, aka Vanessa, coming at you. This video, I normally late and I forgot to do one and upload it on my Valentine's presents that I got from my husband. And I wanted to share with you that, excuse me, that special gifts that he bought me. I mentioned that he got me, first thing he got me was a $50 Vanilla Visa gift card. And with that being said, he got me this beautiful little bear. It says I love you on it. Got little candy here at the bottom. And the bear says hot for you, kitty. Love this bear. And y'all, I showed you his gift that I got him. Also, my candy. It says I love you. And this lovely gift of chocolates. Yes, I love you. With always from in my heart. And this is the bag that everything came in. It's a big bag, so yeah. I'm gonna use this for my makeup organizer. So those are the gifts that he got me. I just love this bear. Isn't this cute, guys? I just love this bear. It's pink and white. Of course, he knows my favorite colors. And there's some candies in here. So yeah, those are probably gonna be there for a while because kids. But this is my bear, Pinky, and I wanted to share with you that my little gift that I got for Valentine's Day. And also, he bought this for my birthday um, in November. And it's this cute little digital picture book. It's a picture, then it holds pictures. You have to load it up on your computer. So it's a slideshow. You let me guys load it up from the computer. So yeah, I like this part. So yeah, I will be doing a haul hopefully tomorrow. I did want to share with you a magazine I got today. And this is my Vogue magazine. And you know who's on the front of it? Lady Gaga. Yep. And she's wearing my favorite color. And this is a big book. And we have a lot of skinny models in here. No offense to the models, but these women look like they are anorexic, bulimic, something. And we all know the truth majority of them is. To either stay thin the way we are, I mean, it's no secret, majority of these women to be a model either has a strong high metabolism or don't gain any weight. Not that they say that does. The majority of these women are, I don't know. I mean, ladies, you can relate to what I'm saying. Because I tell you this, I wish I could be skinny, but not no size 0. I would prefer to be a size 5. Where now I was a size 5, I was thick with a size 5. Wasn't skinny, but I was thick. Oh my god, they got some cologne and perfumes up in here that I love it. This one here is called Jimmy Choo. Choo. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. You guys might be familiar. Jimmy Choo. This is a big book, but it's got a lot of different articles in it and a lot of different perfume samples. Here, I really love this stuff. It's Donna Karan Cashmere Mist. Y'all might recognize what this is. And I was looking at the peacock thing here. I don't know if this is a necklace, shirt. It's by Honor. Andre? I don't know what this is. you guys might recognize, and this is the perfume. Yeah. This is the new magazine I got. I'll probably be doing some reviews off this magazine and giving you guys the scoop if you haven't gotten one already on the magazine. And yeah. So yeah, if you have to be a book reader. I'm not much of a book reader, but I'm trying to get interested in doing some reading. I used to read certain books like ghost stories, and because I love paranormal stuff. Also like to read about different mysteries, different suspects. Depends on what I'm really interested in. So I thought about getting something, the book Angel. That seems really interesting too. But anywho, I'm going to be doing another photography video of my pictures. So you guys keep on the lookout for that and stay tuned for that. And hopefully tomorrow I'll be doing one of my hauls and one of my orders because I still got one coming in. I just hadn't gotten them yet. So yeah. Anywho, I will be doing that tomorrow. So you guys have a good day, and I'll speak to you soon, divas. Again, hiya.